Well, hello. My name is Braden Messer. I'm an artist, YouTuber, and I make content for the Internet of Things. I'm your instructor for this one, and today we are going to be going over how to draw the Loomis head from 7 different angles. Now, there are multiple methods for drawing the preliminary steps for a portrait, such as the Bridgman method, and the Riley method, Loomis method. I'm sure there are other ones out there, but in my opinion, I've been drawing for a while now, and I believe that this method, the Loomis method that I'm going to teach in this class, is the easiest. So, what to expect? In this one, I'm going to be showing you how you can draw a basic circle, and then from there, analyzing your reference photo and figuring out exactly where you can put your oval, which of course is the side plane of your drawing, and then establishing the vertical and the horizontal axes of each of the 7 references that we will be walking through, and also how you can effectively split the head into 3 equal sections and establish the hairline, the brow line, the bottom of the nose, and then of course the bottom of your chin. And once we get to that point, it's really easy. That is all you really need to do. Now, I'm going to be teaching a follow-up class where we are going to be drawing these exact same 7 references. I'm not only going to draw the Loomis head, as I'm teaching in this class only, but then I'm also going to be sketching in the features, and we are going to be discussing proportions. And that is step 2 in a 3-step series that I'm going to be doing, where I'm going to be drawing each one of these 7 references with my personal drawing method. For those of you that have been following my videos for a while, you know, but for those of you that don't, I will tell you, it's called the 3-layered method, which is a very effective charcoal approach. I got links in the description of the class for all the tools that I use, so that if you want to pick some of those up and draw along with me, absolutely, make sure you do that. That's the 411 on what to expect, and I hope to see you in class.